All right, guys, it's the day before we're leaving the shop for Christmas. We're taking everything between Christmas and New Year's off. But one thing we got to do before we leave is that's unbox our new FlexArm. So we bought a FlexArm tapping machine for, well, I don't know, just to speed things up around here. If you don't know what it is, we'll show you in just a second. But we're going to unbox it, and we're going to show it to you. It's been sitting here since like last Thursday, and it's been quite the temptation.
Can I go?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Is there going to be some assembly required? I hope not. It'll be fun. Oh my. So this is the A32. It's their smallest unit. 4,700 for everything. There's some tap holders and some depth setters for like NPT threads. So we're gonna try that out, but. Yeah, we're trying to figure out where to mount it right now. They have the bolts in the center over there, but I'm sure that's just for packing. I voted for this corner, so I use my right hand.
I voted for that corner.
Mark voted for that corner too.
Stealing my ideas.
Turns out we're on the same page.
Or do you want it like in the middle? Or that just be silly?
That'd be silly, because as long as it can reach this corner when it's right here, that's all we need.
Whatever.
Is that thing balanced right there?
Yeah.
You gotta turn it 45, right?
I don't know. Just put the one in already. Oh no, it only does go right here. Smaller holes.
Really?
It's the only option.
Well, I suppose if you look at the pattern. How's it feel?
Feels pretty awesome, actually.
I like it a lot. And then do you guys have a spot to put this into? Could do that too. We're gonna have to find some junk to keep down there, Mark.
Yeah, there's all kinds of room for stuff. It's not junk, it's stuff.
Oh, my bad.
Treasure.
Mobby. Okay, well, I have to cut some Christmas gifts out for someone, so. Mark was feeling a little bit camera shy. He didn't want to come show off what he made, but made a little organizer for all of the, I don't know what you call this thing. Tap holders? Must be a tap holder. So these are the 5 we got that came with the FlexArm, and we got room for more because we only got the free 5. 5 of them come free with the unit, so we just got 5. Otherwise, I think they're like $60 or $80 a piece. And then we got some metric ones. These came from the internet, from eBay. They're pretty cheap, but got a drill holder. It's gonna be perfect. I think eventually, somehow, there's gonna be like a clippy spot to like hold this in there. Because when you push the cart around, this thing kind of flies around. But no, that's awesome because I used this just yesterday and I had stuff everywhere. You have to act all excited though. That's the worst part.